Welcome to another video of Truckin Tuesday, y'all. So I'm about to start working on this, all these wires. See if I can pull some out, but I need to work on it and try to get my headlight working because it sucks driving to work with no headlight. So I need to try to baby these things up. Doctor this. You got a red wire with a yellow line, solid black wire, and a red wire with a black line. So this should be fairly easy to do. So we'll start from there and start working on it. Can't find my crimpers that I usually use to splice wires, so I'm going to be very careful with dikes. And I bought me some heat shrink terminals, so I hope I can get enough room in here to work on it. Let's see if I can cut some of this stuff off. There we go. I might just use what's out of this and just protect it and use the heat shrink wrapper. Yeah, sorry, my English is all dead. See if I can very carefully. I sense someone is walking up behind me. It is my son! Gotta very carefully crimp it. It's a lot easier if I had the right tool. Bad thing about dikes, you can cut straight through it. Oh, just like that. Okay, so Bruce's stupid mistake, part 1. Really need a headlight so that I can start, see if I can splice. See, I'm gonna need a lot of it to go in there, so don't want to shoot myself in the foot this time. Gotta be very careful. Better yet, let me start right here, because I can always shove the wire in. Judging it, looking at the, I'm going to be using the pink heat shrink butt connector is what they call it. All right. See what I can do here. Aha, there we go. Now twist this puppy around. There. Woo! I was sweating bullets on that one. I got that one pretty good. Now if I can just nip this little end off. Just realized something. Hey, not sure if I have electrical tape, and that's one of the key components that I need. So my future NASCAR driver. So my future NASCAR driver. All right, got that out the way. And once when I'm done with all this, I'm gonna turn these wires in and then twist them some more. This one's kind of beat up. Let me open up this pack. See what we working here. I want an example. Now, my plan will work using this, but that is way too much wire. So, I'm going to splice some back. I'm going to do it about right there. And I really need some, electrical tape. But it's all good. Alright, let me twist that. But I can buy electrical tape on another day. Right now, I'm just trying to doctor this up. But while I'm sitting there doing all this, I want to tell y'all something that I discovered. As I was going through the motions, and I got everything fixed, like I got my truck fixed, and I replaced my caliper. Well, later on that day, and after the video and stuff, I wanted to put it in four-wheel drive when I came home. So I tested it. Put it in whoa, that was probably a big acorn or something. But anyway, I put it in four-wheel drive and it did not work. So one of the wires that the rat chewed through was apparently to my four-wheel drive. Just great. So I'm going to doctor that up. For those of you who are watching, I'm doing this semi-professionally. Just remember, there's different ones. You can get heat shrink connectors, or you can buy these ones where you crimp them together. I mean, I can crimp these too. It's not a problem. But probably gonna have to use the dikes I have, since I don't have anything else. So here we go. Pretty much got it all set. 1, 2, 3. Tree. Yes, I said tree. The Army says tree. So yeah, get over it. All right. So shove this bad boy in there. Let me twist it some more. I bought these new car scent things, and the only reason I got it because it said United States Army. But man, that thing is strong, like crazy strong. Cannot believe how crazy scented it is. Oh no, it came off. All right, I see it right there. It just doesn't want to go in. Twist it some more. Try the other side. Woohoo! Just barely. Watch it go in there. All right. This one's starting to give me fits. Excuse the kids in the background. You gonna stay with Daddy? That puppy just does not want to work right. Ow. Not sure if this is the one that... crimped it. Oh, I don't want to get too close to the connector. All right, I decided to shut the video short and start focusing on it because I know y'all didn't want to see me do all three, but it's very unprofessional. I need some electrical tape, but I got the wires connected, so I am going to connect this bad boy now and see if I have a headlight that works. Hopefully I have enough wire to turn it. So after the wire broke off, I had to get smart with it. I needed some more excess wire, so a technician I work with gave me some blue wire. Just any kind of random wire will work. As you can see, I got blue wire connected to it, and I had to do away with the heat shrink connectors, so I had to take those off, and I just got some extra wire so that I could fully extend it so that it would make that turn. And so, cause once when I went to go put this connector in and twisted it, the wires started popping off of just two of them. So I only got one that's the original pink that I used, that was on there, but the other two just didn't make it. So I had to use it, and unfortunately, even after all that, my headlight still didn't come on, and come to find out it was a fuse. So one of the guys I work with, that's a technician at work, I just didn't think about it. I was being stumped, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, cause the rat chewed through the wires, and I'm like, man, I'm gonna have to trace back through the wiring harness. And he just went, checked out the fuse, saw it was bad, I replaced it, boom, and then it just light worked from then on. But I'll let y'all know. Turn the lights on, and voila, I finally have a headlight. So I'm thankful for that. But now I don't have to go driving in the dark with just one headlight. But in the next episode of Truckin Tuesday, I will be doing my four-wheel drive, connecting the wire so I can have my four-wheel drive system hooked in. So just piece by piece, I'm trying to get things done to the truck. So stay tuned, subscribe, follow me, and thank you for supporting my channel.